Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys my night routine. I'm going to show you guys what I do to take care of my skin every night, especially right now that we all have to wear our masks everywhere we go. Some of us have to wear it all day at work, 6 to 8 hours all day, every day pretty much. A lot of people in general, but including myself, we're starting to break out in this area and in this area, which is where the mask is. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys what I use, and yeah, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys how I actually do this. Okay, so it comes with 4 brush heads. The first one, this one is to cleanse, so it's very soft, very gentle on the skin. This one you want to use if you have sensitive skin, and it's pretty much just to cleanse the face. So on a regular day you can use this one. If you're going to use it every day, use this one. Make sure you don't exfoliate every day because that's just going to irritate your skin. So yeah, the bristles are very soft, very sparse, no irritation whatsoever, and yeah, so that's that. This other one is to exfoliate. So the bristles are a lot more dense. They feel thicker also, but I'm not sure if that's just, I'm not sure if they actually are thicker or if the bristles are just more dense. But yeah, so this one's to exfoliate. You want to make sure to exfoliate at least once a week to get rid of the dead skin and the old skin that we have that we, you know, that needs to get out of our face. The third small one, this is pretty much just the rock. This one you want to use for, believe it or not, your feet, calluses. I don't use it much because I don't, I have pretty nice feet, and I get a pedicure every so often, so I don't really need it, but it works wonders. This one is a body exfoliation brush. So this one is pretty self-explanatory. Put it on your brush, turn it on, and you exfoliate your whole body. So for those who actually get spray tans, do self-tanning, or just simply like to exfoliate their body, this is perfect. You could get an exfoliation cream or anything to exfoliate your body, and this will make it extra better, but this will for sure exfoliate your skin 100%. Now let me show you guys how I actually clean my face before I go to sleep and moisturize. So yeah. So you guys can actually get this brush. I'll leave a coupon code down below so you guys can get it. And yeah, So I hope you guys like it. I really do recommend it. It actually helps your skin, and it's always necessary to exfoliate. And it comes with a big brush. So go ahead and check it out. And if you guys like it, just let me know how you like it. Alright, bye guys.